Supreme quality, designed, engineered, and assembled in USA to guarantee water safety or health. WQA certified to provide unlimited clean, refreshing crisp-tasting water superior to bottled water. Premium long-lasting filters remove up to 99% of contaminants such as chlorine, taste, odor, VOCs, as well as toxic fluoride, arsenic, lead, nitrates, heavy metals and 1,000 plus contaminants. Max total dissolved solids 2000 ppm. Feed water pressure 40 to 85 psi. America's #1 rated water filter brand with 20 years of success guaranteeing trouble-free, noise-free system for long-lasting, dependable, pure drinking water. 2-year extended manufacturer warranty is available upon registration. System comes with 100% lead-free designer faucet, plus certified JG food-grade tubing and parts to provide safe, contamination-free pure water. Pipe size, 1/4 inches. High-quality leak-free quick connect fittings require no extra log clips to seal leak, not relying on water leak detector to protect your home like other brands. Comes with all parts and industry's best instructions and videos for an easy DIY experience. Top reviews from the United States. I've got one on every floor. You have one on every floor? Yes. I have 3 APEC RO filters, and I love them all. Let me explain. Where I live, we have city water, but that's really a community well. The water here is extremely hard. The last time I had it tested to size out a water softener, I was hovering around 30 grains per gallon. That's about 3 times what the WQA considers very hard water. There's tons of sediment, too. At the tap, using my trusty water tester, we're hovering in the neighborhood of 600 ppm. Not that one time I used a glass that I wasn't sure was clean and got 571 ppm, but in new, plastic cups rinsed with distilled water, the readings are between 590 and 630. Not surprisingly, the net result is that the water tastes gross. If you don't want to read the entire review, here's what you need. This filter turns 600 ppm water into 10 ppm water. 10. 1, 0.